Hey everybody, so over the next few months I'm going to be doing a project with my daily driver slash beater truck. It's a 98 Ford Ranger Splash 4.0 overhead cam, so it's not single overhead cam like the majority of this model is. I like it because it's more reliable in my opinion, but whatever. It's pretty much completely stock other than some little modifications, if you want to call them, that I've done and I'll go over in the videos and everything like that. I just wanted to have a beginning video of where this truck was going to start. So if you're into that, I hope you keep watching. If not, there's no modifications going on today. I will start that tomorrow and start releasing videos of things I've done to this truck to make it better since I've been using it. So as you can tell, it has a leopard graphic. We got dented lights, good old dented bumper, and my favorite part, you can see the dents in the door. About 3 weeks ago, I was leaving work. I got a little too overzealous trying to cut a donut in the field, and I rolled it on its side. Broke the driver's side mirror off. That was it. Hopped out of it, flipped it over. I had some friends that were watching, thankfully. They got a hell of a show, and we flipped it over, drove it home, put some more power steering fluid in it, and literally haven't even checked the oil since. It's been running like a top. So I love this truck. You almost can't destroy it. With all that being said, it probably sounds like I just beat the shit out of this thing, and I do, but every year I put new change the diff oil. I do a transmission flush every 15,000 miles. I change the oil every 3,000 miles. I grease the ball joints. When it comes to maintenance like that, I'm constantly working on it and keeping it in pretty good drivable form. So if you have one of these trucks, it's all of the trucks that I'm going to be talking about are pretty much the 98 to 2011 Ford Rangers. Specifically, when I get into suspension components and start modifying that, it's the torsion bar Rangers, which is the Edge, the Sport, the Splash, 4x4, and all four-wheel drive independent front suspension Rangers. Explorers up to 02, I think it's 96 to 02, and then all Mazda B series trucks that have 4x4 or the torsion bar suspension. So and even sport track. So the things that I'm going to be showing you have all been learned on the forums. It's been over 10 years of work, like tightening up the throttle cables, porting the throttle body, and making a few little cuts with a Dremel tool, so it allows about 13% more airflow if you measure the area that was taken from the butterfly valve opening before and after. With this little truck, I get about 20 miles per gallon if I'm mostly highway. If I'm 100% on highway, I've gone up to 23. I swear to God, it blows my mind. I also have my hubs locked, so the front CV axles are also spinning too. So when I get manual hubs, that should help that a little bit also. But yeah, Sevredline, all of these modifications have been done, and I'm going to redo them to show you, or I'm going to put a bunch of new stuff in the truck that I'm about to show you right here. Some of those things would be, I got a auto lamp mirror. Basically, it comes out of a 2001 Limited Explorer. I got electric sun visors. I got a center console. I got new seats with lumbar support. Well, this one does not have lumbar support, but the driver does. New door switches, door panels. I got the center console of a limited model, and I also got the top resurfaced. This was a pretty cool little upgrade. All of this has to be cleaned. And there's a new AC kit and a bunch of sound dampening material. So these are just the interior stuff that I'm gonna get videos out as soon as I can. I'm tearing the interior out, putting kill mat all over it. It's the 50 millimeter stuff, 50 square feet, so as much as it will cover, we'll see what it does. I already have dyno mat in the truck, and just around the speakers, I'll show you the door panels out, but I have dyno mat just like that on all the door speakers. and it made a huge difference. So now that I'm doing the entire cab, I'll be doing the roof, taking the headliner out, and also taking the carpet out and power washing it so it'll be clean. But the interior overall is not in that bad a shape. Always gotta test your pressure in your tires. Yeah, I got the rear window tinted, little sub over there. I have an Alpine sub underneath of my passenger. Just with a little Sony Explode. Like I said, all of this is bottom dollar modifications because these are little work trucks. They're just, I see 10 of them every time I leave the house. So hopefully there's some guys who want to learn some do-it-yourself tips and tricks. And yeah, Sevredline out, and please fill in the comments of things that you would like to learn about or have me post a video of, because there'll be probably 15-20 videos coming soon. Later guys, bye. Please subscribe, and hope to hear from you guys.